This is ZTE Axon 25G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can clear the app cache and data on this device. So without further ado, let's begin. In order to do that, you will need to open the Settings app, then find and enter the Apps category. In here, go for the See All Apps option, then find and tap at the app that you would like to clear the data for, and then go for the Storage and Cache section. In here, there is a separate button to clear cache of the app only, without removing any user information or the app data other than cache, and there is also the general clear storage button, which allows you to delete all app data that it stores. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.